All right, you guys. So today I wanted to show you guys Adobe Spark. Adobe Spark is a cool program that all of you guys have an account for. It is a tool that Adobe uses that has templates that you can use, and you can make everything from web pages to cards to social media posts. If you guys have used Canva before, it's kind of similar to Canva, but it's made by Adobe. For the assignment, you guys are going to design a card. If I just click the link here and go, right here it's going to, are you a teacher or a student, and log in with school account. So I'm going to just click over here, and then I'm going to use my @PWCS account. I'm going to say it's my company or school account. Right here, you guys can see that you can make a collage, a web page, slideshow, presentation, Instagram, or make a portfolio. So there's a lot of cool different things. And up here, we can just search our template. One of the things I said is it's Mother's Day this week. And so all right here, there's all these posts that you can make, or an electronic card about Mother's Day. If you guys are in photography, I'd probably want you to change it to your own photography, like this one. Use your own photographs of flowers. You know, if we type in teachers appreciation, there's a whole bunch teacher appreciation cards that you guys can download and change. Let's go back to the Mother's Day. And then right here, you can edit this template. You can look through some of these other ones. And when you guys click on edit, all right here, there's different ways you can manipulate this. You could just click in here. We can change the font right here. Now, I kind of like the font they had. If you wanted to edit what it says, you can type in here. You can also adjust the size of your text right here. You can space out your letters. You can change your opacity just like you could in Photoshop. And you can change the order. And then over here, we can also add certain kind of effects to our letters, do an outline, change the thickness. We can say none. We can add a shadow, can do a cutout, shadow and outline. It's actually good if you guys just go in here and kind of play around with this. We can also change the shape here. And so right now they have this selected, but if we could change the shape that is around our text box. We can also change our color, and they give you some suggestions. And then I can also change the style. So if I just pull this around, I can see some of the other styles, kind of like that. So yeah, and then from there, you guys could download it right here. Or if you click right here, and anytime you make a mistake, you can just undo what you've done. You can also duplicate text. You can add a secondary style. You know, if we wanted to get rid of that Adobe, I just hit the delete button. Now, if I wanted to change this picture, I just clicked on the background. I can say replace, and I can go in here to unsplash, find another photo, or if I click image, there we go. If I wanted to choose my own photo, I can upload a photo from my computer, but then I also have access to Lightroom or Dropbox or Google Photos or Google Drive. If I go to my Google Photos, I'll just have to sign in under my account, allow. Okay, so if I click replace, I can find free photos right here. I could pick a different photo that seems more like that you wanted to share with your mom. I can also replace that. And if I click right here to this back, here's where you can find free photos, connect to Google Photos. So if I click on Google Photos, right here I have one picture that I want to use of my son. There we go. You know, I can scale it up, back, can rotate it a little bit. And like I said, if you guys mess anything up, you can say undo. And then if I go to crop, I can crop my photo down, but I can also use this hand and bring my photo to where I want it. So do I want it center? Do I want to use the rule of thirds? I can also make it into a shape. Go with the heart, just hit enter. And that gives you guys some ideas. Now, when you guys are done, is you can either download the item or you can go to share. If I go to publish, right here I can enter it into Google Classroom. I can post it to Twitter, Facebook. I could also email it, my wife in this case, or I can create a link. Once I say link, I can just copy that link. I'll just show you guys what that looks like. If I open a new tab, paste and go to that. There it is right there. All right, thank you guys. Try it out. Send a card to your favorite teacher or for your mother.